Failure taught me things about myself that I could have learned no other way.
We've all faced setbacks, failed projects, rejections, even rock bottom. But what if I told you your worst moment could be the key to your success? J.K. Rowling's story proves it. In 1994, J.K. Rowling was a divorced single mom on welfare, writing Harry Potter in cafes to survive. But when she finally pitched the book, 12 publishers slammed the door in her face. Then, one tiny publisher said yes, and the rest is history. Here's what her story teaches us. Rowling said failure stripped away her fear. Every no taught her how to improve. Being at zero meant she had nothing to lose, only to gain. Harry Potter didn't grow overnight. Your turn. Comment one setback you've reframed, and hit subscribe for more comeback stories. Had fun making this. Comment more if you want part 2.